Hello, my dear student, class 11. Now today I am going to discuss about the second part of the place of art in education written by Nandalal Bose. This is part 2. I hope you have responded well, and I am very much impressed with your writings of different kinds of summary of last days. Now today I am going to giving some another questions. I think it will help you. So before going to these questions, I am giving some words. Write some words, and at last I will check it. I am giving some words from this first paragraph and the lesson what I actually discussed on last day. যে লেসনটা আমি ডিসকাস করেছি আগের দিন সেইটা সম্পর্কে কিছু ওয়ার্ডস আমি দিচ্ছি, ওয়ার্ডগুলো কালেকশন ওয়ার্ডগুলো আগে লেখো, and these words must be write down the meaning and the sentence and the parts of speech. Acquire, delight, apprehend, derives, aesthetic, highlights, heightens. এগুলো কিন্তু মিনিং লিখবে প্লাস parts of speech and then make sentence. Preserve, gap, amazement, garish, strain, elegant, cursory. So these are the words. I hope that will after the lessons you will get the meaning of this. You will write down this one. Now some questions. Where from the present lesson the place of art in education has taken? Where from the present text the place of art in education has taken? How has man thought of acquiring knowledge? How has man thought of acquiring knowledge? এগুলো 1 mark questions, একটা single sentence answer দেওয়ার চেষ্টা করবে. Next, what is the vehicle for literature, science and philosophy? What is the vehicles for literature, science and philosophy? What provides inner delight to a man? What provides inner delight to a man? How does the absence of a sense of beauty harm a man? How does the absence of sense of beauty harm a man? What do people who lack the sense of beauty do? Now I am going to the today's lessons. I have given already 1, 2. Last question ta tumra ekhon likho na, tar bodole tumra likhbe what are the subjects that make up literature's limited field? What are the subjects that make up literature limited fields? What does education in art do? Or how does man apprehend the world? Now I am going to this second and third and fourth paragraph today. Second, third and fourth paragraph today. As my little level best, I will try to do that. So last day I told you all about the Nandalal Bose, and I also told about the place of art in education. How education would be more developed, how educations will get more opportunity if a student learn it through the art. So if the objectives of our education is total development, যদি ডেভেলপমেন্টটা সত্যিকারের প্রোগ্রেসটা, if the progress is actually the target objectives, যদি আমাদের টার্গেট এইটাই হয়, which one? The overall development, total development. So art training should have the same status and importance as reading and writing. So according to Nandalal Bose, we have to give importance similarly in art to get the proper reading and proper writing. I told you last day, a student who has the aesthetic sense, who has the real attraction with the art. His writings, his reading, his way of thinking is quite different from others. It's naturally unique, and that was given in this paragraph. But the provision that our universities make for this is sorely inadequate presence. Sorely inadequate presence. It's an hopelessness. Kintu amader provision ta, it's an actually arrangement. Amader universities amader vishwavidyalaya is sorely inadequate. Just no, it was not enough. Now the situation is to application of art in our education system, in university, no doubt very limited. Khub kam. It would seem that this is due to the general notion that art is the exclusive preserve of a few professionals and common peoples have nothing to do with it. Eta amader mone kora hoy. Why it was happened? The question is, why does the art in different universities not available properly? Because it's have a thought, is a common people, that it is belongs to the higher class, it is belong to some people, exclusively preserved of a few professionals. Those are actually unique capacity, those have the real charming with this, they could avail this art in education, otherwise not. This is very unfortunate to us. This is very unfortunate to us that people are thinking like that, and they are thinking that maximum people have not the opportunity to avail it, and that's why it was not studied. It was not widespread in our whole universities. When the educated do not feel any sense of shame at not understanding art, what questions can there be of commoners? That is the real questions to hear. When the educationist, the greatest one, who have the real capacity to realize the importance of art, who have not the understanding, and they are not feeling anything shame, they are not feeling anything hate or demotivations about it. তারাই যদি এটা বোধ না থাকে, তাদের art in education have no ideas, they have not any aesthetics, and for that they are not very much shameful about it. তারাই যদি লজ্জিত না হয়, তাহলে সাধারণ মানুষ, what questions can be about the commoner? সাধারণ মানুষ সম্পর্কে আর আমরা কি বলতে পারি? সাধারণ মানুষ সম্পর্কে আর কোনো কথাই বলা চলে না। বিখ্যাত ব্যক্তিরাই যদি এই ব্যাপারটা না বোঝে, বিখ্যাত ব্যক্তিদেরই যদি এ সম্পর্কে কোনো লজ্জাবোধ না হয়, আর তাদের মধ্যে যদি শিল্প বোঝার ক্ষমতা না থাকে, তাহলে সাধারণ মানুষ কি হবে? Now, that is the most important questions to hear. They cannot differentiate between a paintings and a photograph. Who are they here? They bolte kara? A educationist or the commoners. They gap in amazement of Japanese dolls as if they are great specimens of art. Gareth Jarman rappers in red, blue, and purple do not strain. Do not strain. What? Their eyes, but give them pleasure. So that is the common difference in our country. তারা পার্থক্য করতে পারে না একটা আঁকা ছবি, পেন্টিংস and a photograph. এর মধ্যে ডিফারেন্স কি? What is the difference between the fictional world and the gap in amazement at Japanese dolls if they are great specimens of art? তারা জাপানি পুতুলের দিকে চেয়েও, তারা জাপানের পুতুলের দিকে তাকিয়েও গভীর বিস্ময় যেন সেগুলি তাদেরকে শিল্পের অত্যন্ত পৃষ্ঠ নিদর্শন বলে মনে হয়। তাদের মনে হয় যে গ্যারিস জার্মান র্যাপার্স অর্থাৎ জার্মানি ডলগুলো যদি রেড, ব্লু, পার্পল ডিফারেন্ট পেপারস দিয়ে আমরা স্ট্রেন করি, actually do not strain their eyes. It's actually not effect in their mind. তাদেরকে কিন্তু তাদের চোখে কিন্তু এই মোড়কগুলো কি দেয় না, তাদেরকে কিন্তু কোনো স্ট্রেন করে না, কোনো আঘাত করে না, কোনো অবস্ট্রাকলস দেয় না, কোনো পীড়া দেয় না, বাট গিভ দেম প্লেজার, তাকে বড় আনন্দ দেয়। তার মানে the poet, the Nandalal Bose actually make you aware that how the difference in thinking of the common peoples in our country. On grounds of utility, they use the containers in place of earthen pitchers. They can easily lay their hands on. They means here the higher class, the educated people. They prefer the containers instead of the pitchers. মাটির কলসির চেয়ে তারা কিন্তু প্লাস্টিকের কন্টেনার্সগুলো অনেক বেশি তারা পছন্দ করে, স্বচ্ছন্দে তারা ব্যবহার করে। They can easily lay their hands on. The educated peoples of this country and its universities are mainly responsible for this, because these educationists are maximum prefer all these, and I think what is going to be the common peoples are not preferring that, because the people who are proper educationists, so whom the normal peoples are following in their daily life, they are doing the wrong. So Nandalal Bose actually giving the responsibility to the universities who are real responsible for this lack of aesthetic sense. A cursory look at our educational scene will reveal that while this country's cultural life has fanned out, its aesthetic sensibilities have grown distressingly worse. It is the unfortunate to us. What is unfortunate to us? That the sensibility, aesthetic sensibility, সৌন্দর্যময়তার, নান্দনিকতার যে অনুভূতিগুলো, সেগুলো কিন্তু মারাত্মকভাবে কি হয়েছে, এটাকে ক্ষতি করে ফেলেছে আমাদের জীবনে। It's actually fanned out, it's actually way out from our life and grown distressingly worse. And aesthetic sense ধীরে ধীরে কি হচ্ছে, logic gradually it's down, it's actually towards the down. The only redress for this lies in spreading art education among the so-called educated people as they set the standards for the people of law. এর একমাত্র উপায় কি? What is the remedy here? Nandalal Bose not only raised the question, he also gives some remedy to us. প্রতিবিধানও তিনি দিয়েছেন। কি প্রতিবিধান দিয়েছেন? তিনি বলেছেন যে এটার একমাত্র উপায় হলো দেশের যারা শিক্ষিত মানুষ আছে, the educated public in our country, যাদেরকে আমরা সত্যিকার এডুকেশনিস্ট বলে জানি, তাদের মধ্যে কি করতে হবে? তাদেরকে শিল্প এবং শিক্ষার বিস্তার করতে হবে তাদের মধ্যে, as they set the standards for the people of large, because the maximum people will follow it. So this paragraph will provide you the objectives of art in our education and also raise why the art in educations are not properly implemented in our country, because the people who are so-called calling the educationists, they have not the proper aesthetic sense. So imply the art in education through them, because maximum peoples are following them. So my dear students, now I am going to the next paragraph. The absence of sense of beauty not only cheats man of aesthetic experience, but it also harms his physical and mental well-being. Dekho, it's very important line. It's not only for showing that oh এই ছেলেটার মধ্যে সৌন্দর্য বোধ নেই, but also if lack of aesthetic sense always harms your physical standard and the mental standard. মানসিক এবং শারীরিক দুদিক থেকেই এফেক্টেড করে এটা। হাউ? কিভাবে? If you have the lack of aesthetic sense, নান্দনিকতা বোধ যদি তোমার মধ্যে না থাকে, কি হবে? You will be cheated not only in beauty but also in physical and mental strength. তোমার মধ্যে শক্ত দৃঢ় মানসিকতাও তৈরি হবে না। You are not thinking clearly, but aesthetic sense will provoke you, will supply you the real thinking, the easy thinking, positive thinking, and also it's turn you If you are positive, it gives you the strength in your physical. Those who lack this sense and litter rubbish in their houses and country wards, courtyards, keep themselves and their surroundings filthy, spit Beetlejuice on their walls, streets, even railway coaches, harms their own health and that of others. It's a very nice example today why we are very much affected, infected with the different kinds of disease, because the 70% of people in our country have not the aesthetic sense properly, and that's why they are spitting here and there, they are littering here and there, they are actually throwing the filthy things, dirty things here and there, and it's actually spreads the disease from railway coaches to railway lines and from the different roads to house. So my dear friend, now how aesthetic sense actually affect to your mind and your health? এটা বুঝতে পারছো? কারণ 70% মানুষ আমাদের মধ্যে ল্যাক অফ অ্যাস্থেটিক সেন্স আছে, যার জন্য তারা যেখানে সেখানে নোংরা ফেলে। বাড়ির দরজার বাইরে দেখবে নোংরা ফেলা থাকে, যার জন্য তুমি দেখতে পাবে উঠোনের মধ্যে নোংরা পড়ে আছে। এখানে ওখানে তারা থুতু ফেলে দেয়, তাদের নোংরা স্প্লিট অফ Beetlejuice পানের পিক তারা এখানে সেখানে ফেলে, and that's why it spreads the disease. আজ শুদ্ধ ভারত আমরা যতই বলি, but we need the proper aesthetic sense from the very beginning of our life. It needs the social chain. So they contaminate society with the disease. No one hands on their despicable standards of behavior on the other. That contaminate society, আমরা ওয়ার্ডটার সঙ্গে এখন খুব বেশি পরিচিত। That contempt, we are actually affected, infected with it, and ultimately its community spread, contaminate হয়ে যাচ্ছে, আস্তে আস্তে infected হয়ে যাচ্ছে, and now people are really despicable standards. A despicable, contemptible. It's a real situations is now going on. I think we will realize the situations properly.